Would you like to know what the 7 common mistakes are that a home seller makes and how to avoid them? If you said yes, you're at the right place. Hey guys, my name is Seema Wu with Keller Williams Prosperity here in New Jersey. Grab a cup of coffee, a pen and a paper, and let's dive right in. Mistake number 1, clutter. Guys, this goes without saying, but it's hard to show off the beauty of your home if it's full of clutter, such as paperwork, toys, collectible items. When my clients decide to put their house on the market, this is usually step 1 for us. A month before the photo shoot, my team and I tackle one room at a time to clear surfaces, we pack up toys, and eliminate odors. It's much easier and enjoyable to do this process with a team rather than tackling it on your own. Also, get everybody in your household on board. Tell them your house is now a fancy bed and breakfast. Guys, staging a home may not sound like a big deal, but skimping on this step is a huge home selling mistake. Staging increases dollar amount of a buyer's offer for up to 5%. Typically, my team and I stage our client's house with the furniture that they already own, and we use some of our pieces for pop of color. If the house is vacant, we'll do virtual staging or rent furniture pieces just for a couple of weeks, so we can use it for photos and videos that get uploaded to thousands of websites. Also, we have it for the mega open house that may bring in multiple offers and end with a bidding war. Mistake number 3, forgetting about lighting. Unless you have the Addams family coming to buy your house, dark corners are not your friends. During the photo shoot and the mega open house, we open up the curtains because bright rooms make your house look much bigger. Also, use soft whites, not daylight LED light bulbs, for exterior and interior to bring warmth into your home. Hiding major repairs is a big mistake. You think your buyers won't notice the roof leak? How about the bug problem? Well, guess again. Most likely, your buyers will hire home inspection after they're out of attorney review. If a major problem appears with your house that comes up during the home inspection, it could delay the closing, even terminate the whole deal together. Typically, when my clients are ready to list their home, we hire a home inspector proactively and solve any major issues ahead of time to ensure that the house is in a great shape. Mistake number 5, selling it by yourself, also known as FSBO. Selling it by yourself, aka for sale by owner or FSBO, is a major mistake. Yes, you could save money on commission to a broker, sure, but you could miss the chance to make a lot more money. In fact, the latest data shows that typical for sale by owner homes sold for $200,000 compared to $265,000 when sold by an agent. If you don't have a listing agent, ask your friends and family for their recommendations. Also, I would advise you to interview 2 to 3 agents. Find the one that you connect with the most, because after all, this could be a very long process and you want somebody that's going to make you feel comfortable and guide you through every step of the way. We do have connections with agents all over the US. We can assist you to help you find another real estate professional, such as like myself, who cares and is really good at what they do. Would that be of value? If so, send me a quick email at seema.wu@me.com. Mistake number 6, pricing it wrong. Now, if you took my recommendations from number 5 and you decided to hire a real estate professional, they will bring you a comparative market analysis, also known as CMA. CMA will show you how much the homes like yours are selling for in your area. Don't get me wrong, pricing a home can be tricky. If you price it too low, you could miss out on thousands of dollars in profit. But if you price it too high, you could turn away serious buyers or run the risk of wasting weeks or even months before you have to reduce the price to get an offer. Usually when I'm interviewed by a seller, I present a list of houses that were sold within their area in the past 46 months. We also look at what's on the market, what's gone under attorney review, and what's under contract. Now, based on these facts and other data, my clients we mutually agree on a price, and we have ongoing strategies to get the top money for their house. And mistake number 7, underestimating the cost of selling. The typical cost to sell a home can amount to much more than 5 to 6% in broker's commissions that most people expect to pay. There's also closing costs. The seller's share of the closing cost is usually between 1 to 3% of the home price. Costs can include sales tax, the title transfer fee, and attorney's fees. During my consultation with my clients, we go through something called seller's net sheet calculator. This provides my clients an estimate in total selling costs as well as their net proceeds. Look, these expenses can feel overwhelming if you're not prepared for it. That's it, guys. Those are my most common mistakes that home sellers make. If you stuck with me through all these tips, please give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment and letting me know which one was your favorite tip. At the end of the day, you want this home selling process to be as smooth and as painless as possible. Thinking of all the things that could go wrong might be overwhelming, but having the right team by your side can make it smoother. Enjoy this journey. Take those professional photos and create an album so you can look back at the house that you created memories in. Thank you guys for watching. I will link my information down below if you'd like to get in contact with us. This is Seema saying goodbye.